I'm Sarah with Extreme Terrain, and welcome to this installment of Customer Builds. This is a series where we showcase different rigs from our customer build pages right here on our site to give you some ideas or inspiration for your ride at home. In this episode, we're catching up with Tim from South Carolina to hear a story of two Tacomas, one which met an unfortunate end, and his new 2021 Tacoma that rose from those metaphorical ashes. If you want to see more on this build, you can find his page on the site, and for those of you watching here on YouTube, you can click the link down below to check it out. So let's connect with Tim and check out his build. Hi there, how you doing?
I'm pretty good, how are you?
Awesome, I'm doing great. So you're here to talk about your new 2021 Toyota Tacoma and the red one that you had before that. So do you want to tell us a little bit about both of your Tacomas, how you came to have this brand new one?
I had an SR5. Started doing some things to it to make it more comfortable. I do a lot of highway driving, and I really like the utility and gas mileage of the Tacoma. And just around its first birthday, during some bad weather, I slipped through an intersection. So it totaled my baby. It broke my heart.
That is heartbreaking, but with every tragic story is a new beginning. So you decided on another Tacoma after that accident?
Yep, I got a 2021 TRD Sport with the long bed this time, in that beautiful cement gray.
Is there any particular reason you went with a long bed over the short bed of your last one?
I wanted a box and still have the utility of the bed.
So you did say that some of the parts from your old Tacoma were salvageable to your new ones.
Yeah, I brought in the engine evolution.
Definitely a great mod. So after you put that on your red truck, did you notice a lot of maybe some more sound under the hood, a little bit more horsepower?
I definitely noticed the sound. Changed the exhaust note a little bit too as well. A little bit of horsepower, a little more responsive. I brought that over. That was undamaged. I managed to snatch all the LED bulbs out of the other one. The insurance company, well, since they weren't going to pay for any of the upgrades, they let me pull the stereo system and the seats out.
That's definitely good to have. I'm glad they let you grab those out of there.
Yeah, me too, and the intake.
Do you want to tell us about the Redline Tuning Hood Quick Lift Plus system?
Oh, I think it's great. Those lift struts really help a lot, and it looks good. It looks really good, and they were very simple. Probably maybe 45-minute install.
Nice, and the benefits are endless. It's so convenient popping the hood. I love a set of hood struts. So let's go move on to your next one, the Nova Series LED projector headlights. So those were a purchase for the new truck, yes?
Yeah, I had them on the old one, but they were destroyed, and I liked them so much I did buy another set.
Oh, nice. Okay, so you bought the same set just for the updated Tacoma. That's awesome.
Probably my favorite mod on the truck. They're very, very aggressive looking. They kind of elevate the technology of the truck a little bit, give it a little more modern look, and then they work phenomenal. Nighttime and bad weather driving, so much better than the halogens that it came with.
That's a great point. The LEDs really make a difference, and honestly, a good set of headlights can just change the look of the whole front end. So that brings us to the Body Armor Highline Series front bumper.
Honestly, I wanted something a little bit more compact, that a little closer to the truck, that if I ever decided to stick this one on the side of a camper, it won't drag me down the road.
Yeah, a little beefier than that bull bar you had on the last one, yes.
A little beefier, and it's a lot closer to the truck. It was very, very well constructed. I was actually impressed. You could definitely lift the truck from a crane. It is stout.
Those bumpers are no joke. I haven't done one on a Tacoma yet, but I have done a few Highline Series on other trucks, and I'm usually impressed, so I agree with you there. That brings us to your next one. You have the TRD automatic shift knob. You know, not so much of a useful mod as the last couple that we talked about, but hey, it does a lot for the interior, a little bit of a dress-up part, you know, and who doesn't like those?
Yeah, it matched the seats perfect. It had the red stitching in it, and it went with the red stitching in the seats. I couldn't resist.
Yeah, hey, an easy little upgrade on the same way. Definitely awesome little add-on there. And then you have the axial mirror-mounted LED sequential turn signals as well. It's a helpful mod.
Yeah, I de-chromed the truck, and that was one last little detail that needed to go. So very quick and easy install too.
I hear you there. Chrome is, you know, to each their own. Some love it, some hate it, so that's a nice upgrade that you can do just to get rid of that. And so we talked about your front end, we talked about your headlights, you also have the LED Raptor style taillights as well.
The 2020 housings had a lot of chrome. They were clear glass with a lot of chrome in them, and that needed to go.
Well, that's the great part about modifying your vehicle. It's to suit your exact needs, and not everyone does every single thing with their truck. Sounds like you have a pretty well set up daily driver there, so hey, again, to each his own. You figured it out, so that's all part of modifying. Well, it was awesome to hear about your brand new 2021 Tacoma. It was great to talk to you today.
Hey, thank you for inviting me.
So that is going to do it for this installment of Customer Builds. If you want to check out more on Tim's build, you can take a look at his build page on extremeterrain.com, or if you are on YouTube, click the link down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, product, and customer build videos like this. And as always, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.